Step D, so basically we've got to locate the glass in the pivot and then fix the top threshold on. So making sure everything's level and screw it in. So what is worth doing before you get screws out inside the shower is make sure that your drainage hole is covered up. So just put that down in there. So, cameraman's going to join me for this. I won't keep the bottom. There you go, if you just stand to one side there, Rich. Definitely a two-man job, this one, to make sure that you don't damage anything. There you go. So that's in position, but until it's fixed, you don't want to let go, because it's quite a heavy piece of glass, this. You couldn't pass the impact drive, could you? This one. So that's step D completed. Still worth noting that the frame is not fully fixed into position, so walk away with it with caution.